Hello, welcome to JAcademy. In this video, I'll show you how to install Numpy in PyCharm. So once you install your PyCharm and you have this interface, just go below to the PyCharm IDE and you can see there is a Python console as well as a terminal. So click on the terminal and then you just type pip install numpy. Okay, and you have to wait for a couple of minutes to get it installed, and it will install the recent version. So already it is installed, but if it is not installed in your computer, it will take some time to install. So here you can show you that is 1.21.21.2. So that is the version of numpy that is installed here. And then to check the installation, what you need to do is that you have to open the editor and open a script with, I have given a name demo.py, and here you have to write import numpy as np. So here np is acting as the alias. So every time you want to use numpy, you don't have to use the entire name numpy. Instead of that, if you use np, that is enough for it. So that is the alias. So what I'm going to do is that I'll take I'll take a variable name. Okay, let's take it a, and then I'll write np dot arrange, and we'll take some. Okay, so the work of arrange will give you 0 to 8 as a number, and then we run this. So when we run this, we see the output of this. Okay, we cannot see because we need to print this a. Okay, so just print a and then run it one more time, and you can see the value will be from 0 to 8. That means this confirms that your library is successfully installed. And I will do one more small thing, is that I'm going to reshape this into a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, and I'm going to run this. You can see 3 rows and 3 columns are done from 0 to 8. So congratulations, you have installed your numpy, and this is the way you can try to install numpy in your PyCharm IDE. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment in this video. Thank you very much.